Similarly, we are all affected by these wars. For instance, the war in Ukraine, our gas and electric bills have gone up simply because of the war in Ukraine. We are fighting Zelensky's war for him, and that has raised gas and electric prices. It doesn't affect Farage, it doesn't affect the politicians, it doesn't affect their backers, but it does affect me and you. It affects the common people. Gas and electric has gone up extortionately, and additionally taxes go up due to war. Similarly, war in Iran has blockaded the Strait of Hormuz, and now because of that, gas and oil prices will increase. Oil, there is a decrease. Over 25% of the world's oil is going through the Strait of Hormuz, now being blocked because of Netanyahu's war. That affects you, that affects farmers, because oil is utilized in farming. And when farmers are affected, growth of food is affected. Growth of food being affected means your food prices go up, and there will be shortages of food. That affects us in the sense that there is recession. Recession will kick in, and after a recession, there is a possibility of depression. So people in Australia now voting in far-right groups, or in mainland Europe voting in far-right groups, or some people going to the left voting in the Greens. All these voting systems do not actually make a difference to the actual problem. Inflation is caused by wars abroad. But what needs to be addressed is those who back the politicians, as J.R.R. Tolkien said, the author of Lord of the Rings, that we must watch the backers of the politicians, and most importantly, the bankers of the backers. So those who are profiteering from wars abroad are the bankers, are the corporations, are the arms manufacturers, and they fund those political parties, the mainstream parties, all these parties, Labour, Conservative, and Reform. So Reform voters, when they ask me, why do you address wars abroad? They do not concern a local policy. They affect everything from your potholes to the extortionate taxes that are being imposed upon the people, to different policies of central government as well as local councils. If you cannot connect the dots, I will help you connect those dots for you. I will be making a video also with regard to how to counter the banking system, and how the banking system is actually controlling the politics of this country and most of the countries of the world. Wassalamu alaikum.